Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming.
It's Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, is a popular way of designing and writing computer programs. It organizes code around objects, which represent real-world or abstract things. This approach makes programs easier to understand, update, and reuse. Let's break down the main ideas behind OOP and see why it's so widely used in software development today.
Objects and classes.
In OOP, a class is like a blueprint. It defines what an object should be and what it can do. An object is an actual instance created from a class, with its own specific data. For example, you can have a car class, and your own car would be an object built from that blueprint.
Encapsulation, bundling data and actions.
Encapsulation means keeping data and the methods that act on that data together inside an object. It allows you to hide details and control how information is accessed and changed. This protects parts of the program from accidental interference and helps keep code organized and secure.
Inheritance, reusing code efficiently.
Inheritance lets one class take on the properties and behaviors of another. This means you can build new classes based on existing ones, reducing repetition. For example, if you have a vehicle class, a car class can inherit from it, reusing its features and adding car-specific details.
Polymorphism, one interface, many forms.
Discipline lets the same operation behave differently on different objects. For instance, you can use a common command like drive for cars, bikes, or trucks, and each will perform according to its unique design. This flexibility makes code easier to expand and maintain.
Why object-oriented programming matters.
Object-oriented programming has changed how software is written by promoting clarity, reusability, and flexibility. Its key concepts, objects, classes, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, help developers solve complex problems. Understanding these basics is a great foundation for anyone who wants to learn programming or sharpen their coding skills.